Everybody, this is Shawn Powell. I had a couple of downline asking me questions lately, and I thought I'd do a couple of videos to help them out. Now, just to let you know, I have just came back from the dentist, so my jaw is actually still numb up here. So if I look like I'm talking a little funny, I will apologize. But I wanted to go ahead and make this video, and I figured if I was going to do it, for a couple of my downline, I might as well go ahead and do it for several people, that may be asking the exact same question. What I'll be covering in this is, let's say if you get a share code or any pages that you have inside of PowerLead systems and you'd like to copy it. Let's say it's a share code itself and you want to copy those pages. And then let's say if you want to change the email to a different email, anything like that. And this really teaches you a lot of things. You can take a really nice page, edit it down, change any kind of, I'm not going to be changing anything as far as pictures or anything, but it's all right there in the same area that you can put in whatever you like to put into it and then point it to any place you like to go. Let's say you like the landing pages of one or two or whatever, you could copy the landing pages and change whatever you like to make it work for you, the video, or leave it like it is if it's something universal, and then point it directly to the sales page, to any sales page you like to go, or whatever. And that's what PowerLead Systems is about, y'all. Using your tools to help you benefit in any way, form, or fashion. And if it puts you in it, that's even better. Man, that's numb. I apologize. I want to tell you something, y'all. Don't never keep yourself from getting out in front of people. I could have easily said I didn't want to do this video. I was going to wait a little while, but I said, you know what? I'd rather get out in front of people and just go ahead and get this done than to wait for, just for no particular reason. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and get started over here. So this is my getting started page. I go to websites, web pages, and y'all, I'm gonna tell you, my web pages, you gonna wind up spending a lot of time if you start making your own pages and things of that nature with this right here. I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna do that an awful lot. Any of these pages right here, if you notice it says the word copy right here, you can take any of these pages, easily copy it over, and then do whatever you like to use it for, right? Okay, my own share code I created is these pages right here, right? Now, because I'm the creator, mine's at the top. They're my pages. But if somebody had used a share code, they would show up down here the exact same way that I'd borrowed, other people's share codes as well when I put them in. See this copy right here, y'all? That's all it takes is just literally clicking on copying, renaming it, and then going through the stages of it to see what you want to change about it. And once you're done, you'll have something that works. It's really, really simple, y'all. So I'm going to give you an example of one of them. Let's see here. I'm going to go to, first of all, I'm going to copy a landing page, and I'm going to copy a sales page, and then I'm going to link those two together. And then I'm going to change, let's say if I want to change the email in it or something of that nature. I'll show you how simple it is, okay? Because that's one of the questions I've been asked recently. Let's see here. Which one am I going to do? I am going to copy number one reason for failure. I like that one. So that's one of my pages. So I'm going to copy that. Okay, so I'm going to leave copy because I'm going to wind up getting rid of it, to be honest. Now, this is a landing page. This means that you probably would want to go ahead and make a subdomain for it. I'm going to go testing. Let's go testing at this time. Let's go test 5. I'm never going to use it as I do these just for videos. Okay, if you notice right here, here's the emails. Now, if I don't know what this is, then I can view the campaign right here, or I could pull this down from the menu and pick whatever I like, or I could go make my own email series first, whatever I like to do, copy a whole email series, a whole campaign, change whatever you like to change in it so it works better for you, and then come back in here, and then when you go to this page, you just pick it from the menu. You see what I'm saying? That's how easy it is to pick, y'all. It's not hard at all. Just pick whichever one you want. And this one, I'm going to leave it this one, but it'd be the exact same thing. Okay, on this part, I have not actually got a sales page yet copied. Now, I could take that one, point it directly to this one if I like, but that's going to defeat the purpose of it in the first place. So I'm going to save right here. Okay, now I'm going to leave the background like it is. Let's go to edit text. Okay, now if I wanted to change any words here, you see it's live right here. I could change anything I like. If I like to change the video to something else, all you got to do is double click right here, and there's that 11-digit code. It's it right here. All you got to do is take that out, put the one that you want in, just the code itself, off of YouTube. If you want to set anything to autoplay, yes or no, here's the zeros and ones. It's just binary code. That's all it is. And here it is. Here's everything. If you want to change something, it's right here at your fingertips, right? So you know this works. Okay, so I'm not going to change anything, and I'm going to go to review. Okay, I'm not going to watch anything yet because I'm not finished yet. I'm going to go back to web pages. That was the landing page I copied, right? I could have picked any pages down here under any of these share codes or anything I've created to make that landing page. So let's go to this. Now I'm going to go to sales page 1, is this one right here. I'm going to copy that. Okay, and I can rename it if I like. I could put whatever it says so people read it at the top under the tabs itself. That's actually what the tabs would show. And here you don't need a domain for this one because you've already got one for that one. See what I'm saying? So I'm not going to assign one to this. They're going to a landing page first, just like it says here in this. I don't need an email because I've already got that going out with the landing page. And so this page is basically done, right? So I'm going to save on this page. If I want to change the background to something, it's right here if you like to do that. Edit text. I'm going to look at it real quick. Okay, here it is. I'm not going to change anything. Just to let you know, sometimes these things look like this, but when you look at the actual page, it's not going to be exactly the same. It's going to show like it's supposed to. So don't worry about it if you see something's changed, something like that. But this would be a perfect time if you want to put your picture in here. Maybe make a button right here and put it here so they can friend you directly on Facebook. I do that a lot of times too, y'all. I think that's really a great way to let people connect directly to you. Okay, so we're not going to change anything on this page. I just need to get it copied, and that's what we did. So let me go back to review. Okay, so I'm done with this page. Now, I'm going to go back to the other page. This is the landing page, right? Now, I'm going to go back to edit on this one. Now, what am I going to do this time is on this part here, I want to find where it said copy. It's the name of that other one. Didn't have to keep it copy. I could have named it, whatever I wanted to call it. This is it. So make sure you can see it. All right. It says copy of Power Lead Systems Direct Sales page 1. That's the one we just made that I could have made changes for. And if you need to check it, you can look right here. Again, the buttons may look a little different because it's not the full page. Okay. And then we're going to save because that's the page I want it to go to. And y'all, it is done. It is really, really that simple. Let's go to review. Okay. Now, what you need to do now is find the domain that you had. You can test link. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what the link looks like, just so you see. That was http test5 at .shawnpowell.com because that was my domain. The subdomain is this first part right here, right? So we know it's going to work, but let's type it in. So on this one, so when I get my email, let me know somebody came through. It's going to say test. I always fabricate an email. I use the same one, so I know it's not a real email. And then I go to get instant access. It's going to ask me, to put in this to make sure you get real people coming to it. Nothing wrong with that. No, I just want to continue to tour. There you go. Y'all, it is as simple. And I could have easily had modded any of the pages anywhere I liked, changed the emails out to anything I liked, get an opportunity to put you into the sales page itself by putting your picture in here, maybe a comment from you directly. And let me see if I don't have. See this? Shawn Powell's Facebook, right? That's right here. If you notice, it's not here. It gives you the ability to go make your own little button right here so people have a way to connect directly to you. And that's really what the game's all about. Showing people what you think about your business. Show people that you believe in your business. Don't let anything hang you up from getting out the people. I don't care what you think. If it means you think you're too old, you're too ugly, you're too bald, you're too fat, whatever. It's like my tooth right now. I made videos last week and I was actually missing half a tooth. Why did I do it? because I'm not going to keep it from letting me get out to the people. And that's a big thing to do with this, y'all. Man, that thing's numb. Okay, but I used it's called the Button Factory, DA Button Factory is how I make all my buttons. That's how I made all these up here as well. And it's very simple to do. Download it. It's nothing more than a picture that you're turning into a link. And that's really, really simple to do. You can find that all over YouTube as well. And I do have that in my on my training under Power Lead Systems playlist at my YouTube channel. So if you haven't seen it, I've got about 15, 16 videos of really simplified videos. A bunch of those are telling you exactly how to do this and that. It'd definitely be worth the time to check it out. If you are not in Power Lead Systems, y'all, go ahead and click the link down below. This is a great sales funnel. Only one I've seen that actually has a banner like this is in it showing you how to do everything. This is Wednesday's night hangout. We got Wednesday and Thursday night hangouts. I'm the only share code that I'm aware of anywhere inside of Power Lead Systems that has the webinars built into it. Okay, so this is going to update automatically for you by itself, and it's going to really help you and your downline to have a connection directly to it. And if you notice, there's also the Facebook. I actually got a Facebook connection right here, so people can, your downline or you can connect directly with these people, and at the hangouts. All right, y'all, I'm gonna end this. If you need anything, let me know. Make sure that when you come through, go ahead and friend me on Facebook. It's right here. Go ahead and sign up, y'all. Go diamond at minimum. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that golden diamond is absolutely ridiculous. If you watch this video I just made the other day, you're gonna realize that I've gotten a lot of people in diamond and platinum. Let me see here. I'll see if I can't show you right now. Here's a diamond I got this morning at 6:58. Let's see if I didn't. I know that I got a couple of diamonds in the last. Here's a diamond right here. I got this was day before yesterday. Here's another diamond I got here just a couple of days ago. This is two platinums coming in right here. Another diamond. Y'all, you'll see just as many diamonds as you will gold members if you look back right here in my last couple of weeks. Why am I doing this? Why is it important? Because I know the importance of what diamond's going to do in platinum in your business, especially if you're brand new. You can wind up making a lot of money just because you wind up and went all in on your business. Okay, so it's definitely a big part of Power Lead Systems. First of all, is get in, go all in, get connected with us, learn to use your tools, tell people the importance of it, let them know it's the answer to any online business. I don't care what it is, and just get out to people and get seen and believe in your business. Use your tools. Okay. If you need anything, let me know. I'd be tickled to help you out. Appreciate it.